Brought to you by JEGS.
Big boost and high RPM need big-time ignition performance. With Holley Smart Coil kits for Coyote and Hemi power plants, that's not going to be a problem. These smart coils produce more than enough spark energy. They'll support up to 3,000 horsepower. These coils are designed for Holley HP and Dominator ECUs, and that includes Terminator X and any other EFI system that can drive smart ignition coils. The adjustable dwell time means that you can dial them up for street or max effort race performance. Say goodbye to spark issues. Since it's an inductive ignition, that means you're going to get a long duration spark for complete combustion. Pair it with our sub harness for a quick and easy bolt on. If you need more room, we also have extension harnesses available. For optimal performance, use our big wire sub harness with massive 12 gauge wires. If you're starting from scratch, we do offer a smart coil specific Coyote main harness. When upgrading to smart coils on a Holley EFI system, make sure to remove both igniters for proper operation. Simply remove the harness and plug into the new harness. These smart coil kits are compatible with 16-volt batteries for maximum coil output. With 50,000 volts and 150 millijoules of spark energy at the plug, you can bet on Holley Smart Coils to light the fire in your Coyote or Hemi.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.